Y is equal to mx plus c.
Y is equal to mx plus c. So here m is the slope, right? So if you remember
Yes,
that
ma'am.
day we reduced this equation into this form also, right? In place of c you can write c dash because हम c already use कर रहे हैं. तो अगर मैं by को यहाँ रखूं और बाकी सब इधर भेज दूं तो by is equal to minus ax minus c dash और y क्या हो जाएगा minus ax by b and minus c dash by b. Is it fine बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you compare this equation and this equation, so from here these two equations, what is the value of m?
Minus ax upon b. Minus a by b.
Minus a by b. So you see, if you have
Yes, ma'am.
line in this form, ax plus by plus c dash is equal to 0, then the slope is what? Slope is minus a upon b. So what does this mean? Minus coefficient of x over coefficient
of y.
Right? So if this you all know, so if two lines are parallel, so for parallel lines,
Slope is same.
Yes, slope is same. So m1 is equal to m2. So you will find the slope of both the lines. How to find the slope of both the lines? So this is negative sign, coefficient of x over coefficient of y. So if for both the lines slope becomes same, then the lines are parallel. And for perpendicular lines?
Negative reciprocal.
Yes, the product of the two slopes, m1 into m2, should be equal to
minus 1.
So product of the slope is minus 1. Beta, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you see this question, example 1, right? So you're given 2 into x plus 2 whole square plus 3 into x plus 2, y minus 2 minus 2, y minus 2 is equal to, square is equal to 0. So beta, choice is yours. You can start directly also as your book is doing. Or what you can do, you can take, now I am able to see two things. There are two variables, x plus 2 and y minus 2. So your choice is yours. Just to make it more visible, so let us take x minus 2 as h and y minus 2 as k. Is it fine, bache?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will your equation becomes? So 2 into x plus 2 ka whole square. What is x plus 2?
H.
H square. So plus 3 x plus 2. X plus 2 is h. Y minus 2 is k. So 3 into h plus k minus 2 into y minus 2 whole square. So what is y minus 2? Y. So it is k square. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
So now you see this is homogeneous equation in h and k. So it's a homogeneous equation in h and k, right? So we know how we did, we know how to find the equation of the lines. So what we will do, we will divide this equation by,
K square.
right? So पहले आप चाहे x square से divide करो चाहे y square से. So you just divide it with one number. So what this will become? 2 into h plus k whole square plus 3. So you see 1k will cancel. H by k minus 2 is equal to
0.
तो ये बेटा कौन सी इक्वेशन बन गई? कौन सी इक्वेशन है? क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन.
Yes, ma'am.
राइट? किसमें बन गई है? h by k में बन गई.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? It becomes a quadratic equation in h by k. Right? So from here, what is the value of h by k? So if you remember, हम root कैसे निकालते हैं quadratic equation का? X क्या होता है? So if this is some, if this is some m, this is again m. So you see 2m square plus 3m minus 2. तो m की वैल्यू कितनी होती है? बोलो बच्चे, वेटिंग. m की वैल्यू कितनी होती है?
-2/3.
नहीं बेटा, आप वो फॉर्मूला लगाओगे ना क्वाड्रेटिक के रूट्स निकालने वाला. अब इसके रूट्स निकाल लेंगे हम. वी विल सॉल्व दिस क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. -b plus minus under root.
Under root discriminant.
हाँ, डिस्क्रिमिनेंट क्या बनेगा इसका? b स्क्वायर
Minus
Nine.
2ac.
माइनस
4ac.
2, so यहाँ पे माइनस 2 है, b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. इज इट फाइन बच्चे?
C.
अपॉन
Yes, ma'am.
Upon 2a.
2a. So already 2 is there, so 2 into 2 is 4. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is h by k? So minus 3. So let us solve this one directly. So 4 into 4, 16. So plus 16. So 9 plus 16 is 25. And 25 का under root क्या बन गया?
5.
5 over 4. So I'm going here. Let me change this pen color so that you are able to see. So from here, h by k is equal to what? So you see, minus 3 plus minus 5. तो एक बार हम वैल्यू प्लस 5 लेंगे और एक बार क्या लेंगे?
-5.
h by k की दो वैल्यूज मिल गई हमें, 2 रूट्स मिल गए. So minus 5 by 4.
मैम
हाँ जी,
मैम एक 1/2 और एक -2 है.
एक 1/2. So 5 minus 3 कितना हो गया? 2. So h by k is equal to 2/4 कितना हो गया? 1/2. Very good. और दूसरा क्या हो गया? h by k is equal to
-2.
-2. So what you will do now? हमने h और k तो अपने
मैम
आप
k
लिए
को
थे. हमने h और k तो अपने आप लिए थे. So we will just put their values.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right? So you see, let me put the values. So what we get? H. What was the value of h?
X plus 2.
So we get x plus 2 over k is y minus 2 is equal to 1/2. So if you solve this equation, what you will get? 2x, right?
Plus 4
Plus 4. And if you take this side
equals
and
to
multiply,
y.
y minus 2. So y I am bringing on
Yes.
this side, so minus y. So minus 2 will come to this side and become plus 4. So I have just solved this equation. You can see this. This is what you're getting? Sorry, 4 plus 2, 6 will come. Is
Yes,
it fine,
ma'am.
bache?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So 2x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0.
Plus 6.
Similarly, if you take x plus 2 over y minus 2, and that value was minus 2. So if you cross multiply and bring everything on one side, so x plus 2y, and this is minus 4 plus
6
4.
plus-
When you will multiply, this will become plus 4. When you will bring to this side minus 4, so minus 4 plus 2 will become minus 2. Beta, is it clear to all?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So one equation is 2x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0. Another equation is x plus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. You will see, you can see in this solved part also you are getting these two equations. You see this second and third equation. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
See what he did is इसने substitute कुछ नहीं किया. What he did इसने पूरी equation, if you see this is quadratic
Ma'am,
equation.
directly.
हाँ, इसने directly it's a quadratic equation in x. इसने इसमें quadratic equation मान लिया है. He has treated this as constant. Y minus 2 as constant. Directly solve कर लिया. He got two equations. Is it fine?
Yes.
Yes.
The further
Yes,
part
ma'am.
is what? You have to show that they represents two perpendicular lines. So perpendicular lines का मतलब क्या हुआ? Product of the slopes should be.
-1.
So if you see
Minus
first
one.
line, this line 2x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0. अभी आपको मैंने बताया था slope क्या होता है? Negative coefficient of x. Coefficient of x का कितना है इस equation में?
2.
And coefficient of y कितना है?
1.
-1.
Minus 1. Similarly for the second equation, negative coefficient of x कितना है?
1.
And
One.
coefficient of y कितना है?
2.
So you
2.
see, this is minus minus cancel. This is 2. This is minus 1/2. And if you see, what is the product of these two slopes? M1 into M2.
-1.
2 into minus 1/2. So this is nothing but minus 1. So product of the slopes is minus 1. So it means the lines are perpendicular to each other.
each other.
Right? Now the next question is,
Yes,
where
ma'am.
do they intersect? What you will do?
मैम सॉल्व करेंगे इन इक्वेशंस को.
That's it. You will just solve the equations and you will find the point of intersection. हो जाएगा बेटा?
Yes ma'am.
Yes.
All of you girls?
Yes ma'am.
मेरे को सिर्फ 2 बच्चों की आवाज आती है. What about next? Rest? Girls, what about rest? What about Harpreet, Meenakshi, Shruti, Yashika?
मैम मैं आपको रिप्लाई किया था मैंने.
चैट में?
नो मैम मैं ही बोल रही हूँ, मीनाक्षी.
अच्छा, मीनाक्षी की आवाज आई है. और हाँ, मीनाक्षी का माइक ऑन है. सिमरनजीत का माइक ऑन है. What about next? Rest of the people? Yashika?
Yes ma'am.
I mean, girls, all of you, please. I mean, in between, asking questions, answer. अब 2-3 आवाजें तो मेरे को याद हो गई है, but rest all the people be attentive. Is it fine?
Yes ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, so let us now move to the next question. All right, let us see the second question. Prove that the product of the perpendiculars let fall from the point x dash y dash on the pair of straight lines. So you see, this is the pair of straight lines. Prove that the product of the perpendiculars let fall from the point x dash y dash upon the pair of straight line. This is this. Is it fine, बच्चे?
Yes ma'am.
Is the question clear? क्वेश्चन ये है कि हमें पता है कि जो भी पेयर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन होती है, दिस इज सेकंड डिग्री इक्वेशन, होमोजेनियस इक्वेशन. अच्छा, यस. सो इट विल रिप्रेजेंट हाउ मेनी स्ट्रेट लाइंस? Two straight lines, and both the straight lines will pass through the
Origin.
So let me name this equation as star. So you see, star represents two straight lines. This is what? Y is equal to m1x and y is equal to m2x. Both the lines pass through the origin. Yes? Right? Now what he is saying that a perpendicular, हमने एक point है x dash y dash, उस line से हमने, उस point से हमने perpendicular गिराया इस line पे. Obviously ये line दो लाइनों से बनी है, these one. Yes or no?
Yes ma'am.
तो actually हमने perpendicular कहाँ गिराया? हमने इन दोनों lines के ऊपर perpendicular गिराया. Right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
what you have to prove that the product of the perpendicular is this. Right? So let P1 be perpendicular from x dash y dash to y. Let me take this on one side. So y minus m1x is equal to 0. Is it fine? आपको याद है मेरा लेंथ ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर क्या होता है? अगर मुझे निकालना हो, let me just recall here. If I have this straight line, ax, बेटा किसी के ना फैन की आवाज आ रही है. You can do one thing. You can just switch off your mics. In between when I'm asking the questions, you can turn on and tell me. फिर वो recording में थोड़ा सा फिर आवाज cranky हो जाएगी. So you see, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. If you want to find the length of the perpendicular from some point, कोई point है हमारा x dash y dash, हमने इस point से इस line पे perpendicular गिराया. Say the length of the perpendicular is p. So you remember what is p? हम क्या करते हैं?
point put
करना है
equation में.
Equation में x dash y dash put कर देंगे. So ax dash, x की जगह x dash, y की जगह y dash, बाकी सब कुछ same. Yes, over.
मैम over.
Under
मैम नीचे magnitude equation का.
नहीं, equation का magnitude पूरी का नहीं, सिर्फ coefficient
Yes,
of
ma'am.
x
And y.
and y. So a square plus b square. And since this is distance, so this will be positive.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Is it fine, बच्चे? So I recall. So it's you x और y की जगह point put कर देना है. बाकी सब कुछ as such numerator में, denominator में coefficient of x का whole square plus coefficient of y का whole square. Right? So if I do this in this equation, so what will be P1? P1 क्या बन जाएगा? Y1 minus M1 x1 over under the root. अब इसमें coefficient of x कितना है? What is coefficient of x? Minus M1. Is it fine, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Plus coefficient of y. Coefficient मतलब y के साथ कौन सी term है? So y के साथ यहाँ पे कौन सी term है? 1. So 1.
One.
So this is what? So this is nothing but y1 minus
Y1
M1
minus
x1
M1
yes,
x1
over under root
over
of 1 plus
over.
M1 square.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Similarly, what will be P2? अच्छा सॉरी इसने पॉइंट x dash y dash लिया हुआ है ना
Yes, ma'am.
मैंने एक्चुअली वो इट्स वन एंड द सेम थिंग सो you can ignore this one. I mean this is not there, right? So what is P2?
Y dash minus M2 x dash
तो
over
M1 की
under
जगह
the
सिर्फ
root.
M2 आ जाएगा. So y dash
Yes,
minus
ma'am.
M2 x dash
M2 x dash
over under
over
root of 1 plus
1 plus M2
M2
square.
square. Right? So what do you have to prove? You have to prove that the product of the perpendicular is this. So you just have to find now P1, P2. So let me go from here only.
Yes.
So if you see here, yes,
Yes, ma'am.
you see P1, P2. P1, P2 will be what? Y dash minus M1 x dash over under root of 1 plus M1 square into Y dash minus M2 x dash under root of 1 plus M2 square. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
If you multiply both these equations, if you see first denominator में under root will become common.
Yes, ma'am.
So what you have in the denominator 1 plus M1 square into 1 plus M2 square whole under root. Yes. So this will become, when you will multiply this, so 1 into 1 will be 1 plus M2 square plus M1 square plus M1 square M2 square. So you see this is what he is writing. 1 plus M1 square M2 square plus M1 square M2 square. But is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And when you will multiply the numerator, so y dash into y dash will be y dash square. Then this will be 2 minus M2 x dash y dash. Here minus M1 x dash y dash. So x dash y dash is common, minus sign is common, M1 M2. Is it fine? Simple multiplication
Yes,
of all these.
ma'am.
And minus minus here will become plus M1 M2 into x dash square. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So from here then what will happen? So if you see now you see हमें prove करना है. If you see now you have to prove that the product is equal to this number. If you see अब यहाँ पे h आ गया है, h और ab आ गया है. So now the question is how to bring h and ab. So if you remember we did these relationships, sum of the slopes. If you remember,
Yes, ma'am.
so we will use these relationships now. We know m1 plus m2 कितना होता है?
Minus 2h by b.
b. So you should learn these. You should know these. And product of the slope कितना होता है? m1 m2 कितना होता है?
A upon b.
A upon b.
Upon B.
So that's it. In place of m1 plus m2, we will put 2h upon b. Minus sign था, बाहर भी minus sign था, minus minus plus हो गया. बेटा clear है?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
And
ma'am.
in place of m1 m2 here, we have put what? A by b. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Just simplify,
Yes, ma'am.
you will get the answer. बेटा clear है सबको? कोई doubt?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, let us do one more question. So example 3 says, so we'll solve this ourselves. Are you able to read the question? Show that the equations bx square minus 2hxy plus ay square represents a pair of straight lines which are at right angle to the pair given by the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Right? Let us do this again. Let us do this on a new page. So you see what he is saying. Show that the equation. So one equation which is given to us is bx square minus 2hxy
minus 2hxy
plus
plus
ay
square
is equal to 0. And the second
0.
equation, he's saying we have to show that this equation represents a pair of straight lines. So this will represent two lines, right? We have to show that जो ये दो lines represent करती है, right? That are perpendicular to the straight lines which are represented by this equations. ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. So what he want to show that जो दो lines first equation represent करती है और जो दो lines second equation represent करती है वो दोनों lines आपस में क्या है? Perpendicular है.
Perpendicular.
Question clear है?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So let us start. So let us assume that this equation 1. So let 1 represents y is equal to m1x and y is equal to m2x. बेटा clear है? Suppose
Yes, ma'am.
जो first equation है वो दो ये this it represents these two equations. अब यहाँ से हमें एक चीज पता है, what is the sum of the roots? m1 m2 कितना होता है? minus 2x
minus
by b. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What is m1 into m2? a by b. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Why I choose first equation as this only? Because ये हमारी standard equation है, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. तो directly formulas हमारे पास direct है, उसमें हमें coefficients को थोड़ा सा change करना पड़ेगा. Just to make easy, I have taken this as the first equation. बेटा clear है?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let me
Yes,
call
ma'am.
this as second one, right? So can you tell me what will be the lines perpendicular to
मैम क्वेश्चन क्लियर नहीं हुआ.
मैं दोबारा बताती हूँ. क्वेश्चन ये है बेटा, आपको दो पेयर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइंस दिए हुए हैं, राइट? इक्वेशन 1 एंड इक्वेशन 3. लेट मी कॉल इट एज 3. सो यू आर गिवन टू इक्वेशंस, इक्वेशन 1 एंड इक्वेशन 3. हमें पता है जब भी हमारे पास होमोजेनियस इक्वेशन होती है सेकंड डिग्री की, वो रिप्रेजेंट करती है टू स्ट्रेट लाइंस पासिंग थ्रू द ओरिजिन. यस
यस मैम.
तो ऑब्वियसली जो इक्वेशन 3 है ये कोई दो लाइंस रिप्रेजेंट करेगी और इक्वेशन 1 है ये भी कोई दो लाइंस रिप्रेजेंट करेगी. हमें ये शो करना है कि ये जो लाइंस है जो आ रही है हमारे पास वो आपस में परपेंडिकुलर है.
मैम
ठीक है, हमने क्या किया, इसका प्रूफ हमने क्या किया फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है हमने अज्यूम कर लिया कि वो ये वाली लाइंस बनाती है, y is equal to m1x, y is equal to m2x. अब यहाँ से हमें जो पता है हम वो लिख रहे हैं. हमें ये पता है m1 plus m2 इतना होता है, m1 into m2 इतना होता है. बेटा क्लियर है?
यस
Yes,
मैम.
ma'am.
अब हम क्या करेंगे, क्योंकि हमें ये शो करना है कि जो इक्वेशन 3 से लाइंस आ रही हैं वो इससे परपेंडिकुलर है. हम उल्टा करेंगे. हम क्या करेंगे, इक्वेशन 2 की जो परपेंडिकुलर, अब इक्वेशन 2 हमें पता है, लाइंस पता है हमें, राइट? अब हमें पता है किसी की लाइंस परपेंडिकुलर टू 2. परपेंडिकुलर लाइंस में क्या डिफरेंस होता है, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ स्लोप्स कितना हो जाता है?
+1
है ना, -1 होता है. हमें पता है अगर दो लाइंस हैं वो परपेंडिकुलर है तो उनका स्लोप क्या होगा, -1. प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा, -1. तो बेटा यहाँ से m2 की वैल्यू कितनी आ जाती है? अभी आप में से किसी ने मुझे बताया था कि जो परपेंडिकुलर लाइंस होती हैं उसमें जो स्लोप होती है वो नेगेटिव रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ ईच अदर होती हैं.
Yes.
राइट? तो
Yes, ma'am.
अगर मुझे y is equal to m1x लाइन है तो इसके परपेंडिकुलर अगर मुझे लाइन लिखनी हो तो इसकी इक्वेशन क्या हो जाएगी?
y is equal to -1 upon m1x.
Yes, so we will do the same thing. अब जो ये दो लाइंस है हमारे पास इक्वेशन 2 में, इनके परपेंडिकुलर अगर मुझे लाइंस लिखनी हो तो क्या बनेगी? y is equal to minus m1 by x and y is equal to minus 1 by m2x. बेटा क्लियर है? Girls, this is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
what we will do, हम इन दोनों इक्वेशन, हमें पता है जो पेयर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइंस मिलती हैं वो कैसे मिलती है? दो इक्वेशंस को मल्टीप्लाई करके. तो हम क्या करेंगे, अब इन दोनों इक्वेशंस को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और हम शो कर देंगे कि जो आंसर आएगा वो थर्ड इक्वेशन के बराबर आ जाएगा. सो वी विल बी डन. गर्ल्स, इज इट फाइन?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So you see, that is, let us simplify this equation. Let us multiply this one. So what you will get? Y into m1 plus x is equal to 0 and y into m2 plus x is equal to 0. Right? So अब इन दोनों इक्वेशंस की जॉइंट इक्वेशन लिखनी पड़ेगी. अगर मैं इन दोनों इक्वेशन की जॉइंट इक्वेशन लिखूं, दोनों जो हमारी ये दो इक्वेशंस हमारे पास आई हैं, जॉइंट इक्वेशन कैसे निकालते हैं बेटा? हम दोनों लाइंस को क्या कर देते हैं?
Multiply.
Multiply. So y into m1x and y into m2x plus x, I'm sorry, is equal to 0. So if you multiply, what you will get? Y square m1 m2 plus. बेटा क्लियर है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next will be what? xy into m1 और इधर से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो xy into m2. So m1 plus m2 कॉमन आ गया into xy plus, and what will be last term? x square
X
is
square.
equal to 0.
0.
अब हमें पता है m1 plus m2 की वैल्यू कितनी थी?
Minus 2h over
Minus
b.
2h upon A.
and m1 m2 की वैल्यू कितनी थी?
A upon B.
A by b. So let us put this value here. So what you will get? Y square m1 m2 की वैल्यू कितनी थी? A by b plus
A by b.
my m1 plus m2 की वैल्यू कितनी है? minus
2h
by b. साथ में क्या है? xy और प्लस लास्ट टर्म कितनी है? x square is equal to 0.
0.
Is it clear बच्चे?
Yes,
If I
ma'am.
take, if I take
Yes,
the
ma'am.
LCM now b, what you will get? A into y square minus 2h xy plus bx square is equal to 0. Girls, clear है?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
which is
ma'am.
same as what? थर्ड इक्वेशन देखो आपकी क्या है? What was third equation?
Bx square
bx
minus
square
2h
इधर भी है,
xy.
minus 2hxy इधर भी है, plus ay square इधर भी है, equal to 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So it means both these equations
Are same.
are same. Beta, just give me a second. Hello? हाँ जी सर. Beta, is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So with this, now let us do one more article now. what I'll do, I'll upload these notes again today, so you can start solving the questions also. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
इस exercise का मैंने
Yes, ma'am.
एक example है वो छोड़ा है, तो you can do that example yourself. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
So immediately after the class, I'll upload the notes. और ये videos भी आज upload हो जाएंगी. There was some net problem, so I'll share the links also. Whatever lectures I have recorded, I'll share the links also. Yes. So now the second article is, I am doing article 6, right? So this says the angle, so you can write parallelly. So angle between pair of straight lines through the origin, right? Angle between the pair of straight lines through the origin. Right? We know, अब हमें पता है what is this equation? This is homogeneous equation. Right? And it represents how many lines?
Two
Lines.
lines.
Both the lines passes through the,
Origin.
right? And we know m1 plus m2 कितना होता है?
Minus 2h over
Minus 2h
B.
upon B.
And m1 into m2 कितना होता है?
A
A
over
by
B.
B.
A upon B.
Right? And if you remember, so if I want to find the angle between the line represented by this homogeneous equation, so basically what I want to find the angle between these two lines.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And if you remember the formula, so angle between two lines. So if theta is the angle between two lines, so remember tan theta कितना होता है?
Tan theta is,
if you remember in terms of slope, m1 minus m2 over 1
yes.
plus
1 plus M1 M2.
1 plus M1 M2.
So tan theta is equal to plus minus m1 minus m2 over 1 plus m1 m2. Now you see m1 m2 की तो वैल्यू हमारे पास है प्रोडक्ट की a by b. Yes. m1 minus m2 की वैल्यू नहीं है हमारे पास डायरेक्टली. So if you remember m1 minus m2 को हम लिख सकते हैं m1 plus m2 whole square minus 4 m1 m2.
4 M1 M2.
You see, you can check. इसको ओपन करेंगे a plus b का होल स्क्वायर कितना बनेगा? m1 plus m2 का होल स्क्वायर कितना बनेगा? m1
M1 का square
plus m2
plus M2
square
square plus 4 M1 M2.
और एक minus 4 m1 m2 पड़ा है.
Yes, ma'am.
Plus 2 m1
Cancel
m2
out हो
minus
जाएगा.
4 m1 m2 कितना बन जाएगा?
minus 2 M1 M2.
Minus 2 m1 m2. So m1 square plus m2 square minus 2 m1 m2 क्या बन जाएगा? a square plus b square minus 2ab क्या बन जाएगा?
M1 minus M2
का
whole
होल
square.
स्क्वायर पर अंडर रूट पड़ा है
Cancel out हो जाएंगे.
तो क्या बनेगा? m1 minus
M2.
m2. यही था बेटा. क्लियर है सबको?
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Right? So this is this. Why we have done this? Because हमें m1 m2 और प्लस की वैल्यू पता है. So let us just put the value. So what is m1 plus m2 whole square?
M1 square plus M2 square minus
नहीं इसकी
2
वैल्यू पुट करेंगे ना सीधा. m1 plus m2 की
4
वैल्यू
H
कितनी है?
square over B square.
Minus 4h square upon B square.
माइनस तो
square.
खत्म हो जाएगा बिकॉज माइनस का स्क्वायर कितना हो जाता है? प्लस
plus
Yes, ma'am. 4h square upon B square.
4h square
4
upon
h
B
स्क्वायर अपॉन b स्क्वायर माइनस 4 m1 m2 की वैल्यू कितनी है? a
A
by
by
b
B.
ओवर अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 प्लस
A by
a upon b. तो यहाँ से what you get? What is tan theta? So अभी meeting
Plus
will be
minus
over
1.
automatically. So we will meet tomorrow,
Yes.
right? So let me just solve this quickly. So if you take the LCM, so 4h square minus 4ab. Yes or no?
yes ma'am.
और नीचे भी एक b था तो a और b और आपस में कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So you
ma'am.
see, this becomes what? This is the formula. So 2 can come outside, 4 will come, 4 का under root क्या होता है? 2. So 2 under root of, what you will left with, beta?
H square minus AB.
So yes, h square minus AB. So 2 into under root of h square minus AB over a plus b. Beta clear hai?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the angle between the two lines. So again, this formula you have to remember. Tan theta is equal to plus minus 2 into under root of h square minus AB over a plus.
A plus B.
Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So what I'll do, I'll upload the notes today. So please start solving simple questions.
Okay, ma'am.
We'll continue from here, beta. Tomorrow. Okay?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.